Hello, good evening. It's Sunday, 8:52 p.m. and I bring to you another episode of weekly forex market analysis. And I think this is going to be the last weekly forex market analysis on the Market Masters YouTube. The Market Masters YouTube page. So I would urge all of us to you know I'll urge all the subscribers and viewers on this page to give the same energy they gave when this page came, to give the same energy to the next page. That's going to be next gen project. So I'm going to post the logo of it on the YouTube page. I think this evening should do. So thank you very much for supporting. Thank you very much for believing. Rab. Let's get straight into it. As you always as you always know, we start from the daily time sorry, we start from the highest time frame. That's the monthly. You see, so the monthly time frame, we can see the highest point of this candle is here, and the lowest point is here. Last week I made mention that I think price is going to come all the way here because it's an imbalance, and there are only two things that the market draw to: imbalance and then old highs and old lows. So let's go on the weekly time frame. Let's see what the previous week did. So the previous week took out its previous week's low, right? That's a sweep in liquidity. So liquidity is no more here, and if there's no liquidity in the market, there's no need for the market to move. As I mentioned earlier, price moves from old highs to old lows, you understand? And this high is the range of our movement, meaning that from this high to this low, this is the retracement that brought price down again. So if we are looking for lower prices, that means we are not expecting price to go all the way to break this high. And in case price does that, that means that we are changing direction. You understand? We are either changing direction or coming all the way to this. Actually, I think price may come all the way here, coming all the way to this other block before continuing its rundown. Bob. So let's just highlight here for reference purposes. Order block. So that's your order block. Okay, that's your order block. I'll do this 2x so that we know that this is the range. Nice. Now we can go on the daily time frame. Liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep over here, consolidation small, break above this high. So that's like a market structure shift. Idebab means, do you understand? So okay, instead of circling that candle, I'll circle here. Yes. So now I put this line over here because this particular one, I put it here because this is a high, and then from the way market is moving upwards, it's likely going to take this high out, right? But let's go on the lower time frame and see what's happening. Okay, so I believe price might come all the way down and tap into this zone. If not, this zone is going to tap over here into this particular fair value gap. But before price does that, as to the exact movement of the exact movement of the market, I'm not going to be able to tell. Honestly, I can't tell, because it might continue from here, sweep this high, then come down, or it might open, come all the way down, play around here, and go up again. You understand? But ultimately, from what I'm seeing now, I'm expecting more bullish prices. Maybe to this point. No, I'm not confident in price reaching all the way here, but the unfolding of price action within the week will make us know whether or not it's going to reach this place. You get it? So let's be patient for now. The best thing we can do right now is to forecast the price we have right now, the price data we have right now, and that is this particular section. Let's go to the daily and see. So this high has been okay. Let me get rid of this. Actually, it's putting a lot of noise on the chart for me. Okay, so this is the previous candle's high, previous day low, previous day high, right? Excellent. Then this was a little retracement before the shoot up happened. Okay, so let me put it on PDH, PDL. Okay, so what is confusing me? Perfect. So okay, so I think price is going to come all the way up to take out this high, because it has swept the previous week's candles low, and then it's already somewhere here. You understand? So our next movement is price taking out this high, maybe playing around here small. As for whether price will come all the way up here, I can't tell for now, but I'm certain that price is going to come all the way up, take out this high, and then go down again. If it doesn't go down, then it's going to, if it doesn't go all the way down to this level, then it's going to come down, do some internal range liquidity sweep, and then continue going upwards. Now let's try and forecast where exactly price is going to play around before going to the top. So this is the PDL. I can get rid of this. Okay, so I think price is just going to open and then spring above and go to the top here. Yes, that's what I think is going to happen, because a sweep has happened over here already. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. Price open and then all the way to the top. BTC, one of my favorite pairs. BTC is crazy rough. crazy BTC. Yeah, it has taken out this low, so I wonder what's going to happen next. I can't clearly tell, but BTC sure has something up its sleeves. So for buys, I think maybe buys up to this level and then they sell again. You bob. But let's wait and see. My overall bias on BTC is sell. So until I see a correct shift, market structure shift, I'm not going to be phased by all these langala coupe and Nobetu coupe. Silver, same thing for silver. For silver, silver is even giving a clearer, um, market direction. Wow, this is the previous week's high on silver. PWH. Okay, so for silver, you can see that the price action in silver is not strong. You understand? It doesn't have a, what word should I use? Poet. If you're a poet and you are watching this, you can help me with the words. It doesn't have that bold movement. You understand? It's not bold. It's going up like it's afraid. See those people that they want to do something but they're afraid. The thing is, they do it. I'm not coming to do. I'm afraid. I'm shy. I'm timid. And do the thing. Silver doesn't look like it's going to continue its run upwards. This is exactly how price looks like when it's exhausting. It's exhausting its trend. You see, so all here looks like liquidity to me. All this trend line liquidity and things, all here looks like liquidity to me. So silver, I'm bearish on it. I think price might play in this zone for a while and just go down. When I see a market structure shift, it already looks like it's happening on the lower time frame safe. So let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see. Euro USD no. Old USD no. SpaceX. DXY no. GBPUSD 1 month. Okay, we are still playing in this candle, right? So let's go to 1 week. One day. This Friday's candle, this Thursday's candle. Okay, so what I'm expecting from GBPUSD right now is a push lower into this space and then continue upwards. Wow, Okay, then it's just going to sweep this low. Wow, this price action is crazy. Three 1.33347. Yes, I'm setting on this. So yeah, that's all I have for today, and I'll be introducing next gen projects soon. So keep an eye out on all our socials, and yeah, thank you very much for supporting. Thank you very much for tuning in, and you should be thanking yourself too for learning. Because if I do all this and nobody learns any, like you just watch and go and sleep, then it's useless. They understand? But I know you are all learning. I got approached by a young man um, in the first week of June. Um, he just saw me and was like, he watches my YouTube channel, and then that was almost everything to me. Understand? So yeah, that's why I do this. So learn something. Make sure you're using the concept I'm teaching to make money. If you don't understand something, you can you can do something in the comment section to draw my attention so that I'll text you personally, because I'm passionate about people learning about the forex market and them making money from it. So thank you for tuning in. That'll be all for today. Goodbye.